SAM's USA 2019 here in Chicago. It's my pleasure to be here with Robbie Plert from Aspera.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. To start with, could you introduce yourself and
Sure.
tell us about your role at Aspera?
Yep. So my name is Robbie Plort. I'm a Senior Vice President with Aspera. I run their global sales engineering organization.
So your position at Aspera gives you a wide overview of the current situation of SAM. How has SAM changed over the past years?
Yeah, absolutely. So I get to work with a lot of customers and prospects. And the shift in software asset management over the last few years has really gone from a compliance view where on-premise you were worried about your software estate and if you were compliant contractually. It's now shifted to more cloud-based and cost management rather than compliance. So we've seen the shift in tool sets, in the way that people are managing their software, how they're using it, and then what they need to collect in order to better manage their cost in the cloud.
In your opinion, what are some general challenges SAM is facing at the moment?
Yeah, right now it's the availability of data. It's always been a challenge, the ability to capture the correct data in order to maintain and control those costs. Continues to be a major, I'd say, fault within software asset management. And then the vendors' rapid change of licensing models, and it's moving so fast that managing it hasn't kept up. So I think that's a challenge that's currently in the environment as well, the ability to adapt quickly enough to meet those needs.
You talked about the challenge of SAM in regarding cloud services today. Could you give us a short summary of what your session was covering?
Yeah, sure. What I covered today is really an outline of what services are available within the cloud. So we did some definitions around infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. And then I took them through some examples of how they could better manage that cloud spend, what they will need to look at as far as pitfalls. And then I helped build a cloud strategy for organizations to help them know what they need to look at when they do move to the cloud, what strategy they should put in place.
So which is the best way to reduce costs?
The best way to reduce costs is to really understand consumption. What are you using? So if you can understand what you're using, you can understand what you need to pay for. If you don't have that insight, then you are going to be spending more than you need to. And I think that's the major piece that you can manage. So that's the area you can save the most, is to understand what you're using, how you're using it, and then only pay for what you use.
So you're a business partner here at SAM's USA 2019. Which benefits do you see in attending this conference?
So I think the conversations that we have at these conferences are very useful, and as well as the networking. This is a fantastic show to network. You guys do some things that are interesting as far as the roundtable discussions and some of the World Cafes where you get to talk to some peers, and the network and the idea sharing is very good at these events, and we enjoy coming for that reason. That we get to learn what others are doing and what's new in the industry, as well as to network with peers as well as prospects and customers.
So what are you most looking forward to here at the conference?
So it's really meeting the people and understanding what has changed since the last time we spoke. Many of these people, I see them at other events, and we like to get together and network and understand what each are working on, what our challenges are, and where we can help each other.
Great. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.